Hi guys, I got my latest Tonic craft kit in the mail, and I know that they're not counting them anymore, but I am. And if you're still keeping track number wise, this one would and is number 49. So if I can get it out of the box or out of the bag, let's take a look. All right. For some reason, they tape them closed these days, and I don't know why. I do not know why. It's not like they're busting out of goodies, though there's always a lot of goodies. All right, there we go. All right, so number 49, I have no idea. I can't remember what it was. Let's look at the dies and see. It is special. I'm looking for the, oh, here it is. It is called Flower Power Gift Box. All right, so, oh, yes, it makes the cute little boxes with the flower on top, but you can use the flower by itself. They've got the leaves by themselves. So let's take a look at the dies. So it looks like, are these 2 or 3 different size boxes? Let me look. This one is the largest, which is, wait, backwards. It is 4 inches. This one is a little over 3.5, almost 3 3/4, and this one is 3 1/4. So there are 3 different sizes. So 3 different size boxes. And then it's got the inlays. And then let's take a look at the dies for the flower. All right, so this is the base of the box, the flower, and the flower has different inlays, and then it's got leaves, and it's got instructions inside. Hexagon monthly flower box. So you need 6 panels of the side panels, it says, and the flower, cut a hole in the flower lids, 5-sided boxes. So you can make a 6-sided box or a 5. So the large one, all right, so you can make a 6-sided box or a 5-sided box. I guess the choice is up to you. And then it has blessings. Let me get a piece of paper here, so you can see a little better. I miss you. You're the best. Congrats, Bloom. Blessings to you. Thanks you so much. I love you, and keep smiling. Oh, that's a cute one. Keep smiling. You don't see that very often in a sentiment. And then 2 little things to put your sentiments in. So the little ones would go in this one, and then the double-sided one, or the 2 lines would go in that one. And little tree limbs. So that's cute. All right, so let's see what else we got in here. So that's the dies. Flower Power gift box. Those are cute. Those would be cute in Christmas colors. And have the flower like a little Christmas rose on top. All right, so we've got Aqua Shimmer in Opal Quartz, which is just an iridescent shimmer effect. So it's a clear shimmer pin. And then let's see what we got here. In our goodies, our goodie bag. All right, oh, awesome, clear drying craft. This is one of my favorites. I have actually 3 favorites depending on what I'm doing, but this is one of the favorites. I use it all the time. In fact, you can see this one's almost empty that I've been using. So, Nuvo adhesive. What else do we have here? Oh, let's get some scissors. This is Nuvo Jewel Drops. Adds dimension. And it's in peach sorbet. And it says it dries translucent. So that'll be interesting. Definitely will be interesting. And then we've got glitter in Candy Pink. Wow, that's a pretty color. Very pretty. Here is Sparkle Spray, and it is in what color? Strawberry Ice. Look at how pretty that is. I really like that. Crafter's Ribbon in Ivory. Nice. And the last thing is, let's see. This is Embellishment Mousse in, oh, this is a really pretty shade of green. Spring green. That is really pretty. Really pretty. All right, so that's our embellishments and goodies. It's all kind of springy, which kind of surprises me because the last box we had was autumn. But then before that we had a Christmas. I guess I'm just not ready for spring since we just entered fall. All right, so let's take a look at the papers because the colors that I've seen so far are really, really pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. So let's see what this would be. Let's find the classic card. All right, so it says we have classic card. If I can find it. Classic card in fuchsia. Put it down that way. There you can see really good. Classic card in fuchsia. Pink. Classic card in apricot. Orange. I'm thinking this is the marigold yellow classic card. There should be, hold on. So class 3, smooth ivory, right there. Mirror card in mint, smooth mint, which is another really pretty shade. Pearl card. Pearlescent card in fresh mint, which is real pretty. Pearlescent card in burnished rose. Those two go really nice together. And this is a mirror card. Oh no, this is satin mirror card. Okay. This is blushing pink pearl card. Okay. I got confused. And then this is a satin mirror card in burnished rose, which is so pretty. And then there's Flower Power pattern sheets, and they're double-sided. So that's the other side. And this is just so pretty. So pretty. So it kind of reminds me of like a ice cream store, bubble gum, something like candy store. So those are really, really pretty. I like those. So that's it for number 29 or 29, 49. I love the colors. I think it'll be interesting to see what it looks like if you're not making a box and just doing a flower. I love this. I don't know if you can see it very well, but this with all the petals. I love that. So I'm happy with this one. I don't think there's one I've been unhappy with. So let's be honest. I'm not thinking that I've been unhappy with any of them. So they did put a little flyer in here. So let's see. Icing on the cake, embellishment sale, huge savings throughout November. So they are having a big, huge embellishment sale. And then, oh yeah, they just released, I believe last week, the issue number 2 of the Tonic Magazine. And this magazine is different than the regular magazine. They've got the regular magazine, and then this is like a magazine kit. The first one made Christmas ornaments. This one makes these memory books which I think are really cool. And I've been thinking about getting this one. It includes 30 dies, 22 stamps, 14 sheets of card, and a stencil. So I think it's really, really pretty. So been thinking, like I said, about that one. So we'll see. All right, so that's it. Box number 49. Flower Power. I'm happy, and I'm gonna, continue with the. I like getting all the different things in the boxes. I've stopped one of my monthly kits, and I just started a new one. So, but this Tonic has been pretty consistent, and I've been enjoying them. So that's it for this time. Thanks for watching as always. If you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you're so inclined and haven't subscribed yet, I'd appreciate you subscribing. And that's it. So until the next one, stay safe and well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.